And as usual, I will call your names to read. Okay? Only when I ask you, you have to switch on your a microphone. Others, any parent wants to know any clarification, after class, you just ask me. So children can go for the break and get ready for the next class. You can. Okay, children. Good morning, children. 2 minutes more. So you just can get ready for the class. And
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning to all. Don't open your classwork note, just close it. You have to observe everything what is seen on the screen today. Is it clear,
Excuse me,
children?
ma'am.
Yes, no talking, no written work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, have you sent? We just got the recording of Friday. Have you
Yeah.
sent? Other than that, on
No,
Friday,
no,
no
no,
worksheet you have sent.
no, ma'am. This worksheet was given long back, and I was just doing the revision. I wanted to know whether children have done it. Okay, that plants lesson, that worksheet, I sent it long back, and I was just doing the revision of it. Answers I was writing. That's all I was telling y'all. The same worksheet. Only
Thank
after
you.
the food
Okay.
lesson we will send the next worksheet.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. I heard that you didn't get it. That's what some parents were telling they didn't get. So I just want them to complete the work. Then only we can go to the next. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now, today you are not going to write anything now. You can just have the class, just observe the class, the kinds of food. What are the kinds of food we see, we take in, we eat, all that. So just observe the class. I will explain to you. Now, kinds of food. Actually, we divide food into three main part, like bodybuilding food, and we will see under that what are the things we take in to build our body, clear. Now first we'll take bodybuilding food, then energy giving food, just see, energy giving food it is. Okay, it's written good, food. Now protective food.
Ma'am, do you want to write?
No. You no need to write. No need to write. We will just see what is it about. Body building food. Body building food. Okay. Now, can you tell me? No, you no need to answer. Just think. Do you know why you increase in height? Now, when you're born, you're such small baby, then you grow, then become tall like your father. Boys will be tall like their fathers or mothers, or girls. It may come like opposite thing. Sometimes a boy will grow like mother so tall. Sometimes a girl will grow like her father so tall. So you can't tell, but according to your food, bodybuilding food, whatever you take, you will grow according to that. Food plays an important role in your family. Okay, so we'll just see what is the next thing. Do you just don't write
Good
anything?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Try to come on time. Just try to just listen to me. I will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you ever wonder why your hair or your fingernails grow? You just see why your hair or your fingernails grow back after you have cut them, or how your wounds heal. Now, first question we will see. First question we will see. Do you ever wonder why your hair? You will cut your hair, but it will grow. Clear? Now, you will cut your fingernails. You cut your fingernails, but again it will grow. Is it clear? Next, you will cut your hair, you will cut your fingernails, but it will grow. Now let's see how it happens. Understood? We'll just see. Now just see the things from the food. Things from the food we eat are responsible. That means what we eat daily, these items are responsible for the growth and repair of our bodies. And repair. That means what all things happen. Now, any wound, if you have any wound on your leg, on your finger, on your hand, palm, anywhere, all this will be repaired. It all will come back to you. How? The things you eat, substances from the food we eat are responsible. So food takes an important place, an important part in your body. Let's see the next one. Bodybuilding food. Now proteins, you need proteins to grow, can be described as the building blocks that help the body to grow. So proteins help the body to grow. It will build all the blocks that help the body to grow. Remove everything. Now we'll see the next one. Don't worry about reading, I'll make you read later. Now, they are the nutrients that contain nitrogen in addition to carbon. That's according to when you go to higher class, you will know. Carbon, then hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, proteins are the only nutrients. That proteins contain carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Then when you go to higher class, you will learn all that. It's not necessary for you to learn all these things. Now let's see. Now what are the things, items? What are the items?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I like peaches.
Now, don't worry about it. Don't worry about this. Okay. Next one. Milk, eggs, fish, meat, and pulses are rich source of protein.
Ma'am, I like fish.
Okay, very good. Now you don't answer. I will ask you questions. After the class, I'll show you the same items here, pictures. Then I'll show you. Now you can't keep all this in your mind now. But you just see bodybuilding food. What are the things help you to build your body, to make you strong? Milk, eggs, fish. See the pictures over here. Eggs, fish, meat, pulses. Now you just have a look, children. You must keep this in your mind. Understood? You must keep this in your mind. And what function they have? They make our bones strong. See, if you take milk, egg, fish, meat, and pulses. Clear, children? All these things make your bones strong. Strong. Bones and muscles. Understood? Slowly we will learn. So you just keep in your mind, everybody must take 1 tumbler of milk daily, eat an egg every day. I cannot force you to take fish and meat because some will be vegetarians. Okay, all that we'll explain later. So all these pulses, all these you must include in your daily food. Clear, children? Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. There is an error for energy giving. It's not good. It's food. Okay. Energy giving food it is. Sorry. Now, what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Food contains nourishing substance which will nourish. Food contains, don't worry about all these sentences. You may feel, oh, it's too long, you cannot read. Don't worry about it, children. Just have a look. Food. Yes. Sorry. Energy giving food. Energy. Yes. Food. 1 minute. 1 second. Yes. Food contains nourishing substances called nutrients. You must take a lot of nutritious food. Nutrients. Now, just I'll explain to you what are these. Are chemicals found in food that help the body to work properly. You need nice food which include chemicals that help the body to work properly. We don't want to go in details all this, but you just keep in your minds. You're too small. Just read, that's all. Many nutrients have been identified and each has a specific job. When you get the textbook, you will know it will be easy because you will get very, very simple sentences and simple things to read and learn. Each nutrient has a specific job to do, and these will help your body to work properly. Let's see. These are the, yes, ma'am. Excuse me. When I, in between, if you stop again, that continuity will go, please, children. Now, these nutrients are divided into 3 classes. 3, only I'm just explaining. When you see the pictures, you will know. These are divided into 3 classes. Okay, that is energy giving nutrients, protective nutrients, and body building nutrients. No need to give such importance for all this. Energy giving nutrients, protective nutrients, body building. Only the main headings we'll see. Okay, energy giving. So only body building, energy giving. Let's see the next one. Sorry, the pictures we will see now. Come on. Yes. Now see this. Under energy giving food, what are the things, substances we have? Carbohydrates, simple sugar, fiber, and energy giving food. Understood? Carbohydrates, simple sugar, fiber are energy giving food. The next, rice, sugar, butter, and jaggery give us energy. All this you know. Rice you know. See, slowly you watch. When you see the pictures, it will be clear to you.
Ma'am,
Somebody's,
today I had curry and dosa.
who's this child? Let me know the name. Tell.
John,
Don't.
ma'am.
Who?
John.
John. Okay, good, John. Okay. When I show the pictures, I'll ask you questions, everybody, then you will answer what all things you take, what are the things to be taken to make your body strong, all that. Now, rice. See the picture of rice. So when you see the picture, you can keep it in your mind. Rice helps me to get enough energy. Sugar. See the second one, sugar. Sugar. Yes. In milk, you'll just add sugar. Yes. Next one, butter. See the picture. Butter. Bread and butter, you take. Butter. Many things you use, but a few only I can show you. See, jaggery, yeah. Your grandparent or grandmother or mother will make lovely payasam out of this. Okay, and it's very tasty. We use this energy to work and play. For what you eat all this? When you eat all kinds of food shown over here, you will get enough energy to work and play. Okay, children? Now see here, rice, sugar, butter, and jaggery give us energy. So energy giving food. I'll come back to each heading and I'll just ask you, I'll explain to you. Let me go to the next one. Now see here, protective food. Food that protects you. Clear? Protective food. That contain amounts of vitamin, mineral, high quality proteins, and protect against development of a deficiency disease. Don't worry about all these big words given over there. Protective food will help you to come out of your sickness. If you take protective food, you will not fall sick, you won't get any disease. So you need to have bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. All three kinds of food you must have. This will help you grow strong and healthy. Now let's see the next one. See here. Yes.
Ma'am, curry does not.
Yes. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. See the different types of fruits. Already when we took plant lesson, we saw different kinds of fruits and vegetables over there. Here also, a few you can see. I will show the picture and ask you, wait, fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Don't answer now. See the picture and you'll have to tell me the fruits over there later after the class. Now, and fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. I've seen many children bringing apple or orange or mangoes and all that for the break to eat. Very good. You must eat. Okay, instead of making juice, it's better to eat fruits like that itself, original ones. Okay, that's very healthy for you. You must eat fruits and vegetables as it is. Vegetables can be eaten Raw or cooked? Some. Okay, that will come later. We'll see the
Ma'am,
next
we
one.
want to
Next one.
write.
No need to write. No need to write. No, you have to listen. See, I told you, as I told you, if you take fruits and vegetables, all these vitamins, yes, they prevent us, they'll help you from falling sick. From falling sick, that means you won't fall sick, you won't get any disease. So you must have enough fruits and vegetables. Okay, children, the next picture we'll see. Next one. Yes, again, fruits. See that? Yeah. So see the vegetables, broccoli, then cucumber, all that. That's there down. Then the last one, see, I will ask you, okay? I'll make you tell me the answer for all these fruits after the class. Now we need to eat some of these food items every day. Now we'll go back to the first one. We'll just try to read and I'll ask you some questions. I want to know whether you have understood. Okay, I'll just see. Some children were not present. So I just want some of you. Yes, now we are just going to start from first. Now see here. Now I corrected that later. You can see there. See the first one. First one you see. Body. I hope you are reading with me in your mind. Body building food.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
Cannot hear. Who's that? Sona? No. Can you just check your system? Body building food.
Ma'am, I cannot. Ma'am, I cannot hear.
And there must be some problem with your system and there. Just check. No.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
And then I'm telling you, must be some. Oh, he cannot. Do you know why you increase in height? Do you ever wonder why your hair? Just keep in your mind, after cutting your hair, after cutting your finger.
I cannot hear.
Send a message.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
Why your hair or the fingernails grow after you cut them? How your wounds heal? How your wounds heal? Children, please turn off your microphone. All are talking in between. Some parents and children, please. Okay. Now, substances, the things, substances means, I want you to know the words and the meanings. Substances, that means the things. From the food we eat are responsible for growth and repair of our body. That means if you have wound, how will it get healed? So, after taking the things from the food that will help you to heal the wound. Now, Mukilen, please turn off your camera, Mukilen. Okay, thank you. Yes, Ritun. Mike, yes. Now see the pictures. 1 minute. Bodybuilding, food, protein. See the pictures over here. Now, 1 minute.
I cannot hear you.
And did again because of his technical problem for his own system. And
You can.
you're going on screen.
Oh,
And
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
unless Andit keeps quiet, I cannot take class. Andit, I don't know how to. I just send a message. He's not seeing that. Andit, that's some problem in your system.
I cannot hear you.
Now I want. Yes, I want Pratika. Pratika, just turn your mic, Pratika. Yes, are you there, Pratika? Excuse me, Pratika. No.
Yes,
Yes, you are there. Pratika, just listen to me, okay? Others, don't disturb her. And talking in Tamil, all will be hearing. So you just listen to me, Pratika. And how can you see the pictures given there? Pictures. Yes, only you must speak, Pratika. Good. And can you name the first item in the jar there? A tumbler. Yes, only you must. When I ask you question, after that, milk. Now, second one, Pratika. Very good. That's all. Thank you. Now, Riha. Riha. Are you there, Riha? Riha. Yes? What happened? Riha Jazz. No. Now I want Shaina. Shaina. Yes, no. Shaina. Now, what happened to Shaina? Say, yes, I called you that once you must answer, Shaina. Now, you just see the picture over there. Don't answer now. First one and second one, Pratika told me the answer. Third picture, 1, 2, 3. Third picture, what is it? Fish. Very good. And the last one on top, something in a plate. What is it? Chicken. Very good. Very good. Now we'll go to the next one.
the fish is, they cook the fish and they
Very good. Very good. Now,
as if it's dry
now just see here. Energy giving. I'll just read it. Okay. Second one is energy giving food. I'll just read it. Nothing very important over there. I'll show you the picture. That is, these kind of food give us enough energy to work and play, okay? To work and play. And the food we get from this, we call energy giving food. Just see the pictures because we don't have lots of time. Now just see this. This I will show the picture and you have to answer. Energy giving food, carbohydrates, simple sugar, fiber, then rice, sugars here, butter, jaggery. Now I will call children, those who didn't get chance. Now wait, others also be, yeah. Sehan, every time I'm calling you, Sehan, are you there? Sehan. He is not there. Sehan. Okay. Now, I think Sri Mukilan, it's not that he got chance, but I want to know whether he's attentive here. Sri Mukilan, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
only Sri Mukilan, not father. Sri Mukilan. Yes, Sri Mukilan is very happy because I called, okay? Now, Sri Mukilan, See the first picture. Something white is given in a bowl. Now, can you name that item over there? First one, Mugilan, Sri Mugilan. Shall I help you? Okay, let me ask somebody else. Tangaratnam. First one. Yes. Father, I heard father's answer. Rice.
Rice.
Okay, never mind because you are too small. When I write next time, I will write just below that, okay? Tangaratnam, tell me. Second one. Nice.
Sugar.
Louder.
Sugar.
Huh? Sugar. Good. Now all turn your mic. Come on. Very good. That's all. Then the next picture, I will call the next child. Okay, Yuvan Prabhakaran.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good morning. Now just say 1, 2, third one. Can you name that? Third one. Only butter. Okay, good. That's all. Now next. 1 minute.
I cannot hear you.
It's okay. One more. One more child.
Hear me?
Virthi. Birthday boy, please come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see the last 1 minute. 1 second. Just see 1 minute. Mukilan's father, please keep quiet because you are going on talking. All are disturbed. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now just 1 minute. Now I call Virthi and tell me the last picture. What is the picture? Virthi.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
One, no problem. Last one. First one rice, second one sugar.
What is last? Wait 1 minute.
Okay. Third one is butter. You see on top what is written? Rice, sugar, butter. Yes. Tell me. Jagri. It's okay. Never mind. It's written. Next time I will just write the name below. Good. Very good. Jagri. Okay. Now children, 1 minute.
Ma'am, Jaggery.
Jagri. Okay. Thank you.